Hello and welcome to Motive English. Have you ever felt nervous ordering food in English? Maybe you wanted to ask a question but weren't sure how. In today's story, you'll follow me through a simple but important experience, ordering at a cafe. You'll hear useful phrases, learn practical vocabulary, and practice pronunciation with the shadowing technique. Let's get started. I stepped into a small cafe on a chilly afternoon. The smell of fresh coffee filled the air. People were chatting, tapping on their laptops, or reading books. A friendly barista smiled at me. "Hi, what can I get for you?" I hesitated. I wanted to order a cappuccino, but I had a question. I took a deep breath. Um, what's the difference between a cappuccino and a latte? The barista nodded kindly. Great question. A cappuccino has more foam on top, and a latte has more steamed milk. Oh, I understand now, I said, feeling relieved. I'll try a cappuccino, please. Sure. What size would you like? We have small, medium, or large. I pointed at the middle option. Medium, please. Would you like any flavor in it? We have vanilla, caramel, and hazelnut. I thought for a moment. No thanks. Just a regular cappuccino. Got it. Anything else? He asked. Yes. Do you have any croissants? We do. We have plain chocolate and almond, he said with a friendly smile. I handed her my card. She swiped it and gave me a receipt. We'll call your name when your order is ready. Thank you, I said, stepping aside. My heart felt light. I'd asked questions, ordered confidently, and understood everything. A few minutes later, I heard, "Alex, your cappuccino and croissant are ready." I took my tray to a table by the window. The cappuccino was warm and creamy, and the croissant was flaky and sweet. I smiled. Today, I didn't just order coffee. I practiced courage. Useful phrases. What's the difference between A and B? Use this when you need clarification between two options. Example, what's the difference between a cappuccino and a latte? Repeat after me. What's the difference between a cappuccino and a latte? I'll have a food, drink, please. A polite way to order. Example, I'll have a cappuccino, please. Repeat after me. I'll have a cappuccino, please. What size would you like? A common question when ordering drinks. Example, medium, please. Repeat after me. Medium, please. Would you like any extra option? The cashier might offer additional flavors or toppings. Example, would you like any flavor in it? Repeat after me. Would you like any flavor in it? Useful vocabulary. Barista. Meaning, a person who makes and serves coffee. Example, the barista smiled and took my order. Foam. Meaning, the light, airy milk on top of some coffee drinks. Example, cappuccinos have a lot of foam. Receipt. Meaning, a small piece of paper showing what you paid. Example, here's your receipt. Swipe, a card. Meaning, to pass a card through a machine to pay. Example, she swiped my card for the payment. Chilly. meaning slightly cold but not freezing. Example: it was a chilly afternoon. Practice time. Now, let's practice shadowing. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Hi, what can I get for you? I'll have a cappuccino, please. Would you like any flavor in it? That'll be $7.50. We'll call your name when it's ready. Well done. Every practice session brings you closer to fluency. Keep using these phrases until they feel natural. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Motive English for more practical English lessons. See you next time.